Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to press the power button and the volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and from here swipe the top one, power off option. The device will turn off. And when it does, you want to hold again power button and the volume up, though this time around we're actually going to hold them. And let go of the power button when you see the VIVO logo, as right after that you have the fastboot mode show up. Now the reason you want to let go of the power button is sometimes if you hold it for too long, this mode shows up and you let go of these two buttons. It automatically, by letting go of the power button, accepts it as an input, because that's how you navigate through here. Volume button is up and down, and power button is confirming the option that is selected. Reboot is selected by default. Therefore, sometimes it just automatically leaves this mode. So if you held it for a little bit too long and you let go of these buttons and this disappears automatically, hold them again. This will bring you back in here, and you just should try to let go of the power button a little bit earlier. Anyway, next, while we're in here, select the second option with the volume buttons, recovery mode, and confirm it with the power button. Now, when we get into the recovery mode, we don't need to use volume buttons anymore. We can just touch the display like we normally do. So with that in mind, we're going to select clear data. And in here, you want to select the first option, clear cache. It's going to give you this quick pop-up, clear cache. Only cache will be cleared and no device settings or data will be affected. Okay. And it's almost instantaneously finished, as you can see, cache wipe complete. So we can select return, then the arrow back, and restart. And OK. This will reboot the device and bring you back into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.